Open a web browser. Launch your preferred web browser, e.g., Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc., on your PC. Go to Canva's website. Type canva.com into the address bar and press enter. This will take you to the Canva homepage. Sign in or sign up. If you already have a Canva account, click on Log In and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create a new one. You can also sign in with your Google or Facebook account for convenience. Explore templates. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Canva workspace. Here, you can browse various design templates for social media, presentations, posters, flyers, and more. Create a design. Select the type of design you want to work on, e.g., Instagram post, Facebook cover, business card, etc. Choose a template that suits your needs or start from scratch by selecting a blank canvas. Customize your design. Once you have a template or a blank canvas, you can start customizing your design. Canva provides a user-friendly interface where you can add text, images, shapes, and other elements to your design. You can also change the colors, fonts, and layout to make it unique. Save or download your design. When you're satisfied with your design, click on the Download button to save it to your PC. Canva offers various file formats and quality options, depending on your subscription level. Please note that Canva might have updated its application or introduced new features since my last update. Always refer to the latest information on Canva's website or App Store for the most up-to-date instructions and features.